Here are the top 8 artificial intelligence cryptos that I am watching. Now, none of this is financial advice, and you guys already know that these just saw massive rallies. Some of these seeing over 1,000% gains. However, AI is only ramping up, and ChatGPT 3, like I keep telling you guys, was just the beginning. We've been covering language models since 2021 when we first got into VXV. So the 8 tokens that I have on my watch list and that I'll be paying attention to in these coming months are going to be starting off with our first token of the day, VAOIT. This project is directly partnered up with IBM and is offering services through artificial intelligence for things like legal assistance. Next up, of course, is still VXV. Now working with NVIDIA and Oracle, they've been working on language models for well over a decade. And to this day, still probably has the most advanced system I have seen with their security token and utility token. For number 3, we are going to have Fetch AI. And number 4, we're going to have Ocean Protocol. Now, for the last 4 tokens, if you want to see those, be sure to head to my Discord. They're going to be put in the announcements for you guys. It's completely free to join. Remember to start doing your own research. A lot of these cryptos have already seen massive rallies and probably do need to see a pullback. The majority of these AI tokens may not even be around in 5 years. But if you're not starting to research and learn about artificial intelligence, you're going to get left behind. But if you just start researching now, you could very well have one foot in the door and be able to profit off a lot of these announcements and advancements in AI. Be sure to save this video and follow to learn more.